Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, kindly subscribe. Now today what we are going to do is very simple. Let's come to our Google Chrome here. We are going to make money online without any freelancing. You are surprised, right? It's quite simple. Let's go to our Google Chrome here and search for printify.com. Printify. Let's just search for Printify. Yes, the very first link is what you are going to click on, and you are going to build e-commerce business in a minute. Let's click on this. Now here's get started. Because I've already logged in with my credentials, so what I have to do is I'll just try to log in here. Yes, I'll continue with my Google here. Yes, continue on my Google here. Oh my days, is it my favorite? Okay, let's start a business. Yes, is it for company? It will be part-time side hustle. Solo entrepreneur. Which platform? Okay, let's see here. No preference. We select. How did you hear about? Let's search Google search. Okay, so let's get started here. Let's get started. Okay, so basically Printify is very simple. Printify is an online e-commerce where you can sell t-shirts or you can sell clothing wear to other business. This is how it works. Now let's create it here and let's see. Dashboard, my products. Let's try to create our first product here. Let's create our product. Okay, so basically this is our t-shirt here. Here is how it is built. Right, here is how it is built. So you are going to add the various design to this particular t-shirt. You try to make an edit, by some various alterations in this kind of t-shirt. The moment you edit some or make some alterations in this t-shirt, you are going to sell it. Once you sell it, Printify will act as a middleman that will process all the information you need to require, or the information the website needs to process. So what you are going to do here is, let's come to graphics here. So let's click on star here. So you see I could add like as signs as you can shift it at here or you want. Let's come to library here. Okay, there's nothing here, so let's come to customization here, what you want. Yes, so basically maybe you want your t-shirt to be in the form of this. You want your t-shirt to be in a form of this. So you are going to make various editing of how you want to make your t-shirt to be. Let's click on this and let's see. Now you see. Yes, so here is how it works. So you are going to choose any design you want and you try to make various editing. You can also add text here. You can also add text. Milan full stack finance. Yes, full stack. Yes, and the towel. Okay, so inside Okay, let's do this rather, let's do this. So back, you can sleeve shirt, so you can add various alterations to which particular side you want your design to be, right? Which particular side you want your design to be and all that. That's how it works. And is it, let me see if this is the correct website, because Gemini, let's see, let's go to Google Gemini and let's confirm. Official website, because I'm quite okay, printify.com. Okay, so it's actually an official website. Yeah, so here's where you are going to make various alterations, so what here's where you are going to make various modifications and all that. So you could see I can add happy birthday to, yeah. So because here's the front side, here's particularly, you see the box is situated at the very middle of the t-shirt, so you are going to add various design inside. You cannot add design outside here, unless, yes, you cannot add design outside here. You can choose to do the design backside, sleeve side. Once you are done, I try to do this one for just you know for just content. This is not an official t-shirt. So you can also try to prompt AI how you want your t-shirt to be. Okay, let's generate this image. Let's see. You can also use AI to modify how you want your design to be. A painting of a cute Labrador retriever wearing a suit, smiling natural light in the sky bright. Okay, so it has basically given us this. Yes. Now you could see it will also add the design here for you. Now maybe you have a particular design you want to upload in your Printify. So what you are going to do here is you are going to upload it from either your device or either from your Dropbox, and make sure that the print file has a file type of PNG, GPG or SFG. That's what it's supported, that's their requirement. So you have to make sure you are within a requirement. You cannot upload PDF. You can only, what you can upload, or what you can only upload, is your JPEG or PNG or SFG, right? That's the only one you are going to upload. So let's save it here. Let's save our product here. Let's try save our product here. Yes, now look at how it has done. Yeah, because I was basically using it as an example. This is how your design. So you make sure that whenever you are making various design, you make sure once a customer sees it, it will appeal their it will attract them, or it will appeal their vision to like it more. You get it? So the moment you try to edit or make your design very out outrageous, then it means the customer is going to lose hope in you, or going to lose like a bit trust in you. So you have to make sure you have a very good designing quality to design the design to appeal your customers' eyes. So what you are going to do is you are going to connect to your store and publish. This means that the moment you build this kind of t-shirt finish, what you are going to do is you are going to connect and link it to various digital product store. Then you sell it. The moment you sell it and someone purchases it, you are going to get interest, and Printify will act as a middleman and do all the various work for you. Let's connect our store. Yes. So you connect to Etsy, and because I don't have an Etsy account. Let me see. Okay, basically, I don't have an Etsy account. I think it's on my other line. Let's try. I don't have an Etsy account. Sure. Let's try opening some to see if it could work. Okay, make it way. Grant access. Printify, make it your way like wood. Okay. Go to Etsy. Yes. Let's do this. So yes, that's how it works. You are going to connect to it. So as you are waiting to make it, okay, as you are waiting to make everything as it is, oh, it's on my other account. I should have connected, or I should have connected my old account to. I'm curious about selling. I currently sell my items somewhere. Okay, let's try see. Now let's start our shop here. So we are going to make our sales here. Yes, so shop preference, name your shop, how you get paid, you share your billing. So you are going to fill all those forms here and make sure it's being connected, right? So let me quit here and let me teach other stuff. So make sure before you get to your Printify, you sign up with your Etsy. I think my Etsy, it's on the old account. It's not verified on this new account. So that's the reason I don't want to create it here. That's the reason I don't want to create it here. Yes, and I've already uploaded some of digital product there, so maybe I have to wait a little bit. So here is also the catalog. um, yes, so here is various designs you can also do. You can do matte canvas, you can do wall calendars, woven, and you can sell it. You can basically sell it on your social media platforms and WhatsApp statuses to boost much more audience. That's how it works. So here's where you also trace your orders. Every single time someone makes sales here, you are going to track your order here, right? And Printify, as I said, will act as an authentication and make sure everything is worked or aligned into its particular process or path. So yes, here's how it works. So make sure you create an Etsy account and make sure everything. I think if you could get enough time, you could have filled all this form. But because I already have an Etsy account, I have to ensure I don't create another one. And because I've already uploaded a digital product, I have to wait. Yeah, maybe in my next tutorial I will try. We'll try connect our Etsy here to Printify. Yeah, but for now, what you are going to do here is you are going to make sure our designs are in line, and trust me, this is what students can do to also make money online. So once you do all this, you can also customize and make sure you connect your store to your Etsy. Once you connect, then you try to make various digital product or various t-shirts here, right, and make it as your business, and Printify will do everything for you because you get up to 20% discount. The moment you make a sale, you get a discount from here with Printify doing everything for you. That's how it works. So once they pay you, the payment will, you see all payment details here, right? You see all your payment details here. You try to add your credit card, your debit card here. So here's basically, you can test it now and see if you can create this Printify and get your fair sales. And trust me, it's working. And I've seen a lot of people using it to make a lot of business or to make a lot of money online. And it's very advanced version of selling various business out there. So here's Freestyle Finance. If you find the video interesting, kindly subscribe. Bye.